Today we're hiking Benarty Hill.
I've brought so much dirt from Canada.
It's probably illegal.
Today we are going to Loch Leven and Benarty Hill. So we are at Loch Leven, and there is an island in the middle of the loch with a little castle on it, and that's actually where Mary Queen of Scots was held captive for a while in her life. A great little stopping spot for most people is what the sign said, but not for Mary. She actually then did escape by dressing as one of the maids, I think is the story, and rowing across the loch.
So now we're gonna hike over there.
Right there, that big,
And that's called Benarty Hill.
that big hill. Two thumbs up. Fantastic view.
Great views.
Even for David's dad, who's kind of scared of heights. And locals asked me for directions. I got to tell them. Because, you know, I know.
We're the pros.
We're the pros. No, we're not.
Being calculated. Drive onto a digitized road.
Digitized. We have our rental car. We're heading to Ely today, and we're gonna go see my gran.
Yep. Maybe get some fish and chips.
Yeah, maybe. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to our channel. It's been a while since I've driven manual and also driven in Scotland, so this is kind of terrifying right now.
How many times have you mucked up?
I've been, what, once?
It was actually pulling out of the car rental place where on the road right outside he pulled to the right.
Yeah.
And we were like, nope. And then, yeah, hasn't since. Also getting used to the super narrow roads again.
And then people being so aggressive driving.
And aggressive drivers here. Holy moly.
We're gonna head down to Lady's Tower in Ruby Bay, which is just
David keeps calling
in
it
Ely.
Lady Ruby's Tower.
Lady Ruby's Tower, but yeah, we're gonna go see that, and there's
Lady's
a lighthouse
Tower.
too. But you probably can't hear us because it'll be incredibly windy. Oh, this is windy. Over there behind me is the lighthouse, and the tower is down there somewhere. We'll go find it.
This is so cool. Holy crap. Oh my god.
This tower was built for Lady Janet Anstruther, who used to take a swim here every day. So just a place for her to change and not be seen by anybody. Trying to find a crazy bird. We came over the hill and it screamed at us and flew away. Weird.
Scream. Like,
Skylar's trying to sneak up on him because we can see the bird right there.
this is so cool. I'm gonna be a crazy like birder someday. I'm gonna try to learn about stuff, but that'll be like my retirement gig. Welcome to my new home. So it's only about 10 million. Ocean view, 1 bedroom, open concept. So it's really in right now, kind of like your studio bedroom apartment. Really like aimed at single or couple individuals, pet friendly. I mean, if you're buying it, huh?
Lots of natural light.
Lots of natural light, good insulation. It's not windy in here. 2 thumbs up.
Ness Lighthouse. Skylar's taking a poop.
Oh
Our next stop is the Elie Chain Walk. Hopefully it's not closed or blocked off or anything. So there is a gun battery up on top of this hill, but we're gonna come back that way and check that out.
Yeah, so we go along the coast. There's about 8 different chains, I believe, on this chain walk, and it hugs the rock-faced shore. And you have to watch the tides when you're doing it, because I don't believe it's very accessible at high tide.
We're not sure about the tide.
Oh my gosh, David told me he was sure about the tide.
So you'll see this sign, and that's the start of it. And it says you'll take 1 to 2 hours to do it. 1 to 3 hours.
I just walked down here and there's like this purple seaweed stuff coating the rocks, and we both almost wiped out. It was bad.
Isn't this the coolest thing? And then we gotta go over there.
When we did it last time, it wasn't high tide, but there was at least like water all in this area. Now that we're talking too long, there might be water by the time we get to the end of it. But you can see like below the chain, there's little footholes. So you can kind of see where the water would go up to. Definitely dangerous, but like awesome dangerous. Chain number 3 of 8. Awesome.
This is cool.
I don't like caves.
We have made it to the end. You can see the sign right there. And there's also this huge cave. We're gonna go check it out. And then you head up this hill to the fort thing, the battery. That was fun. Took us about 2 hours, only 5 kilometers. About to go see my other gran.
Give me time to answer the door.
Oh.
Oh dear, where have you been today, like?
Went to Ely.
You went to Ely? Well, that used to be one of your favourite places, wasn't it?
We just spent about an hour trying to fix our internet. And internet prices are kind of expensive, and they're not nice. It was like £65 to get the engineer to come.
It's not £60 for the engineer to come, which at home we call it a technician. It's an engineer here. £60 if she books the appointment and then cancels it. But like, or if she screwed up her like lines or something, like if she DIY'd, it even said DIY, if she DIY'd the line up along something and like tacked it in or did something encased with the line, they would charge her £60.
Gotcha.
Good to see you.
We'll see you next week.
Yeah, I'll see you next week.
No problem.
Nice little visit.
Great little visit.
That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.
No fish and chips,
No fish and
today,
chips today.
but it's on the agenda for a day very soon.
We're gonna go hike Canoel Hill in Perth, and then go see my aunt. This is Canoel Tower, and it's right on a cliff, and it's quite windy today. Just a sheer drop. Skylar almost fell.
No, I didn't.
She did.
I'm nervous.
Look at your hair. Woo! Cool spot.
Very cool. Wow. Wow!
So another big drop. That's Perth over there.
Perth.
Alright, let's go. Going to see my Aunt Julie.
She's fun.
She's fun.
Right, I never expected you right to be there. It's got, you're filming me right now,
Yeah.
but I got a fight at the door. Jam shed. The jam shed, the jam shed.
I like the wallpaper.
Oh my god.
Was that
Oh,
there
I
last
love
time?
it.
No, that's new.
Where's the end?
Right there.
Can you see it last year?
You just aimed it right at me.
Ooh. If you turned it this way, it'd be the scream mask.
Yeah.
You know, take a picture of it. That's not best seeing my hand there, is it? Can you not just zoom in somewhere? Where can I put it?
Do you watch the videos?
Yeah. Right, wait. Are you videoing it? No, you're taking a photo.
I'm taking a video.
You're not taking it off, for goodness sake. Is that a video?
That's nice.
Yeah, is that a video as well as a camera?
Yeah, it's a video. Today we're heading towards Edinburgh, and our first stop is Mid-Hope Castle, which has been featured in the TV show Outlander, which I've not seen, but Skylar's a big fan. So we're gonna go take a look at that.
It's Lollybrook.
1458.
Don't forget your mask. This way? Okay, let's go.
Look at this guy. He's gonna take us up Arthur's Seat.
Look how big his feet are.
Next stop, Arthur's Seat.
Holy crap, I'm so surprised by how many people there are. It's windy. Beautiful view, beautiful day.
So Arthur's Seat was named after King Arthur for all the legendary battles that he had in Scotland. And it also used to be a volcano that erupted 350 million years ago. Insanely windy at the top, so we're only there for a brief second because we almost got blown down.
Yeah.
Oh, now we're heading back down. Worth it though.
Beautiful view.
Crazy view.
It's almost nicer. I think that's why so many people were getting photos coming on the way up, because they couldn't get them at
You're
the
right
top.
to the top and then you just get blasted
Yeah.
by the wind. It was crazy. This is a famous street that Skylar wants to go see. Lots of colors. Talking about you.
Talking about. It's a beautiful street. It's
Beautiful
Caribbean,
street.
picturesque, and
It's
when
called
you
the
look
West
up
Road.
Edinburgh, like a lot of times it'll show it. Lunch. It's lunch. Oh, this is exciting.
We snuck into the castle. Skylar's a 15-year-old.
Oh my god. We're here in January, so it's quite tame. I don't know. I think a lot of places are roped off, probably just because of like COVID stuff, but those look like modern day cannons. Those are scary looking. Oh. Yeah, other than that though, it's not very busy, which is quite nice.
The difference of like 10 minutes.
Healthy.
Very good for you.
God, I could sit and drink a bottle of that. That's just so sweet, eh?
So this is ridiculous. It was snowing like 2 minutes ago. Now it's sunny and blue skies again. Bonkers. You can see it moving. How do you like your castle experience?
It's great. It's a cool castle. I just bought it. Are you happy you came?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. What are you speaking to Sky?
That's what both of you guys.
Both of us.
Yeah? It was worth it?
Week number 2 is more comfortable being on camera and stuff now.
You can't get any cheaper
Than free.
Yeah.
So we got in. Did you explain that?
No.
We got in with Historic Scotland membership cards, and a normal.
Skylar lied about her age.
They lied about my age because we didn't realize that the family pass means that I had to be under 15.
Under 15.
So yeah, they said
Thing
I was
is, when I
15.
said 15, I thought maybe it's under 14 or something, eh?
Yeah. But they let me in.
That was quick.
Yeah.
Annual Swan Convention.